Claude Cowork just dropped, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways you can use this that are going to blow your mind. This is the same agentic tech behind Claude Code, but it's just much more user-friendly for non-technical folk, which is super exciting because Anthropic has now made it available to a wider audience, and I'm going to show you in this video how to use it without needing a technical background. We're going to cover everything from cleaning up your chaotic downloads folder and desktop to using it for client work, how to edit long-form videos, and also how to teach Claude your workflow. The last one is wild. By the end of this video, you'll stop using Claude like a chatbot and start thinking about the ways that you can integrate it into your business to scale. Let's get into it. But before we do, I'm Brooke from Right Mode. I own an AI education and consultancy business. I've trained over 1,000 business owners how to use AI to scale. I've spoken alongside Microsoft, HubSpot, and Canva and scaled my own business to over 6 figures in under 12 months. When something drops like this, I pay attention. And so you're going to get the shortcut in this video. Let's go. So you need to open Claude on your desktop and then just come over here to Cowork. So you can see that I've been testing out a whole bunch of things, and we're just going to do some stuff on the computer to start with. So before this video, I got it to clean up my downloads folder. I don't have the before shot of that. I'll just show you the after. So Claude managed to sort out over 1,700 folders and files in my downloads. And so it has sorted them here into things like client deliverables. All of my branding photos now have a really nice spot that I can work with, right? What's really cool about Cowork is they've now just rolled it out to the Pro plan, which is $20 a month. Let's get into the actual use case, number 1. Okay, so does anyone else's desktop look like this? Let's get Claude Cowork to clean it up. Right, so I'm just going to say here, hey Claude, can you please clean up my desktop and sort out the folders, delete any files, actually put any files into a folder to review that you think should just be deleted off my desktop. I actually don't want it to delete my files, so I'm going to get it to sort them into a folder so that I can review. All right, so what I really like here too is it creates a to-do list, which if you are familiar with coding, this is standard, but for those of us who are not, that's what that is over here. So it walks through what it's going to do. Now it's let me know everything it's done, so let's have a look. Oh my God, my tabs. Amazing, look at this. They're all sorted into screenshots to review for deletion, and that looks so much better. Let's get into the second use case. So this is for like sorting out client work. If you work with clients, you know the chaos, right? There are files everywhere. So you can ask Claude Cowork, find every file on my downloads or wherever with this client's name and put it into one folder for me. This saves hours of like searching and dragging and dropping. But here's where Cowork gets actually useful for scaling. So after I got Claude to look at my downloads, and it created this like video folder, I asked it to go and pick out some videos for me to reshare with my terrible typing on TikTok, because if you're like me, I have so many things that I could just repurpose or reshare. So it reviewed all of these and gave me a few that I can just quickly repurpose and just repost. This is really cool because you can see here it has looked at how long they are, it's grabbed like the captions and the file names, and it's also given me some ideas to cut down some of these, which might be good for repurposing. Now, this is a little bonus tip. So I got Claude Cowork to grab one of my podcasts, which is like over 20 minutes, the video, and I asked it to find the best bits for TikTok and Instagram highlight reels and cut those clips and give me captions. So if we scroll down here, you can see it has given me top 5 clip picks with the quotes, why it works, and then it has cut these. And if we open this, so you can see here that it has cut 5 clips and it's got the captions there for me too. It's wild because that would take hours, or paying for another subscription, when now you can just get Claude Cowork to do that for you. A really cool way to use this is I asked it to go through my downloads folder and find every invoice downloaded in the last 6 months and then put them into a bookkeeping folder for me. That one is amazing because that's the admin that nobody wants to do, right? Invoices, receipts, expense tracking. Stuff that would take you half a day now takes you minutes with Claude Cowork. Now I'm going to show you something even better. This one's going to blow your mind. This is Claude in the Chrome browser extension. So if you just Google Claude Chrome browser extension and then open it up here, we can start to teach Claude our workflow. So I've just got my email marketing software open at the moment. So let's get it to download my email analytics for me. All right, so you can see here, step 1. And what we want to do is go to so I want to download this. And then now I've got this open, and you give me a summary of my best performing emails in the past week. And the really wild thing here, so now you can call this as a skill. This is what it's called, and here's the prompt. And you can schedule this. So this could run weekly for you. Now, the last thing I want to show you is how it can create some Google Slides. So I'm going to get it to create some slides about why women need to use AI in their businesses to scale. And I want it to be my branding colors, which it'll find in the folder. So let's get it to do that for us. Okay, so this is really cool because it asks you some clarifying questions, and I really like how this is presented too. Let's just go, this is a workshop training. We'll keep it punchy, and we just want general and accessible. So this is wild. It's now opened a Google Slides browser, and it's going to build this in real time for us. Here's the end result. What it did well was it got my brand color, and the content's not bad, but I won't be replacing Gamma anytime soon with this. Now, here's the part that most people miss. You can actually just queue a whole bunch of tasks at one time. So you just go over here and hit new task, and all of these can run concurrently. So that's 5 easy ways you can try out Claude's Cowork today. And if you want to go deeper, I do have the Right Mode membership where we build AI systems, automations, and have an awesome community of women who want to learn how to use AI and scale their business without the tech overwhelm or the tech bros. I'll drop the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, I would love for you to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.